Hi, my name is Mudassir Tawfiq, and today our video is going to talk about the freedom of speech in Malaysia, how it is protected in the federal constitution, what are the limitations, and does the overall constitution on freedom of speech strikes a fair balance and on how it should be within the democratic society.
Freedom of speech is one of the most important pillars of a democratic society. In Malaysia, this right allows citizens to express opinions, share ideas, and participate in public discussions on political, social, and national issues. However, this freedom is not absolute and operates within constitutional limits. Freedom of speech plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy democratic society. It allows citizens to openly discuss government policies, expose wrongdoing, and raise concerns about social issues. When people are free to express differing opinions, it strengthens accountability and transparency. Without this freedom, public participation is reduced and democratic decision-making becomes ineffective. In Malaysia, freedom of speech is guaranteed under Article 10, Clause 1A of the Federal Constitution. This provision gives citizens the right to express their views freely. However, Article 10, Clause 2 allows Parliament to impose restrictions for reasons such as national security, public order, morality, and diplomatic relations with other countries. Despite constitutional protection, several laws restrict freedom of speech in Malaysia. These include the Sedition Act 1948 and Section 233 of the Communications and Multimedia Act 1998. Such laws are frequently applied to political expression and online speech. Critics argue that their broad wording allows excessive control and limits legitimate public discussion. In the case of Public Prosecutor v. Osme Sharim, the court recognized Parliament's power to restrict freedom of speech. However, the court also emphasized that such restrictions must be reasonable and proportionate. This case highlights the judiciary's role in ensuring that constitutional rights are not restricted arbitrarily or excessively. The main constitutional issue lies in the vague and broad wording of certain speech-related laws. These laws may create a chilling effect, where individuals hesitate to express opinions due to fear of prosecution. As a result, citizens may avoid discussing sensitive but important issues, weakening democratic debate and limiting meaningful freedom of expression. To address these concerns, Malaysia should clarify vague legal provisions and strengthen judicial oversight. Restrictions on speech should only be applied when they are absolutely necessary and proportionate. This approach would help balance public order with individual rights while preserving democratic values and public confidence in the legal system. In conclusion, the Malaysian flag symbolizes unity, democracy, and constitutional rights. Freedom of speech is essential to uphold these values, allowing citizens to express views responsibly while strengthening national identity, accountability, and democratic participation.